Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to control Element Xumo TV without remote, phone remote apps and button workarounds. How to control Element Xumo TV without remote. First, download and install. Search for Xumo TV remote on your smartphone's App Store compatible with Android and iOS devices. Then network check and ensure your phone is connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network that your TV uses. Now, open the app and agree to terms and conditions, then click Continue and click Allow access to local network. After that, click Enter pairing mode and allow it to scan for your Element Xumo TV. When your TV appears on screen, select it to generate an on-screen pairing code, then type this code into your phone to establish the connection. You will now have a full virtual interface featuring a directional pad, power button, volume control, number pad, and quick access app buttons right on your screen. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.